In this session, I will explain how to design visiting cards or business cards in MS Word document. There are so many ways to design business cards. In this session, I will explain how to design one card per one page. So, first you select new document, new blank document, and first you have to set up the page size and margins. For that, you click on layout tab and set margins. Okay, select custom margin option and I am giving 0.2 inches. Say shift double quotes, that is inches. By default centimeters are there. You can even measure with centimeters also. I am giving inches, 0.2 inches, not 2, 0.2 inches I am giving. Okay. Finally, set OK. It is asking to fix, say ignore. Okay. Margins I set up, and now we have to select the size of the card. For that, there are no suitable list in this sizes. I am selecting more paper sizes, and here I will give the width and height of the paper. So, see, generally you measure with scale, you take any card, the width will be 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters. Height will be 2 inches or 5 centimeters. So, I am giving, through inches I am giving 3.5 plus extra margin is there now. So, that is why width I am giving 3.5 plus 0.4 inches. Left side 0.2 margin is there, right side also 0.2 margin is there, including that I am giving 3.9 inches. And height generally that is 2 inches and I am giving 2.4 inches. Because extra margin we have given both bottom and top. Even for width also left and right I have given 0.2 inches. That is why this 4 is extra height. Finally, set OK. So, this is the final card what we got. Okay. How many pages you want, how many cards you want, accordingly you can insert breaks. Suppose I want only 2 cards, just page break, you set page break, it will generate one more page. And how many you want, you can insert page break by pressing Ctrl Y also you can use page breaks. Ctrl Y means repeating the last action. Last action is page break, so Ctrl Y. So, here 4 pages generated. Go to the first page, now try to design your card. So, for this page I want to place background. So, design tab and say page color. You can place watermarks, whatever you need you can place, and here I am giving page color like this, light blue color I am giving, and if you want you can change also, or otherwise select any other color as per your need. Okay, I selected that color. and you have to design with some shapes. Suppose first I am selecting one circular shape from basic shapes and draw here. How much size you want you can fix here also, otherwise directly drag here. So click and drag and you can enlarge like this. Okay. How you want you can drag it. Okay, I want up to this. And see, shape outline is there. Remove the outline. No outline. And you can fill with any color you require. Okay, like this I can fill. Suppose I selected this particular color and you copy and paste this particular shape, suppose Ctrl C and Ctrl V I am giving. So you will get one more shape. For this shape you select one more color like this and adjust the shape by dragging that shape up to your requirement. So one shape is in backward and this is in a forward position, and you can always send it backward, forward like this. Suppose I am selecting like this, I am dragging like this. How you want you can drag, and you can paste one more color, one more circle, Ctrl V. So here you can select the color like this, and with no outline. Remove the outlines to all. Of course, first one outline removed, after that only we are pasting. So automatically those outlines will be removed. Okay, now try to enter some text inside this shape. Suppose I want to enter some text, so I am selecting text box here. So I can draw a text box directly in the shape. You can enlarge always. You can enlarge these shapes up to your requirement. Suppose here I am typing A, B, C, D something. The company name you can type, and you can make this center, and you can change the fonts. And you can Control Shift and greater than to increase the font. And you can change to any script, any other script, stylish script as per your requirement. And for this text box also you can change the outlines. Remove outlines I am giving, no outlines. So click outside, see it is background color is white. Shape fill I am selecting no fill. See the text color is black, that's why it is disappeared. So change the color of the text by selecting color here. Which color you want, you can select. Suppose I am selecting this particular color and made any other styles, and you copy the text box and paste it, copy and Control C, Control V. So here you can type some other text like and select that one and reduce the size of the, by shift arrow keys you can select the text or Control A also, and Control Shift less than I am giving. Of course R not selected, so that's why R is in the highlight position. So right now I can set equal size as per your requirement, and like this, and you can change the color of the font for this like this. And if you want more information, you can type using copy and pasting that particular text, and you can also insert if you want a logo or something, if you have in pictures, or by selecting icons or something. Suppose I can insert some computer icon here. Suppose here you come and type computer, so automatically some computers symbols will come, and you can not you can select in pictures also, not icons. I am selecting this one. So the picture also in black color. See, if you drag that picture outside, it will be like this. So you can change the color of the picture. I am pasting here once again that particular picture disappear, and you can insert icons and you say computer and press enter. You will get pictures like this and insert that. So okay, now I can change the picture color as per my requirement, and finally drag it to the required area. And it is not getting the position, so that's why you change the wrapping style to this picture. So thorough like that you can change. So now I can reduce the size of that icon. Like that you can place. And here if you want to type the fields like suppose if you want to type the address, where you want to type the address, you have to click the area and first place some, suppose address means you can insert location symbol. So that's why from icons you select and type location, So which you want, you can select. Suppose I am selecting this location symbol, insert, and for this also if you want wrap text, and reduce the size of this, and change, if you want to change the color of the particular symbol. Okay, we have so many colors here, we can select particular one, and near this, for example I am placing here, and nearby this I want to type the address. So again insert a text box and draw the text box here and type the text what you want. For example, ABCD XYZ street, and say something, and you can drag ABCD street something, and you type some other information. And for this also you can change the outline, no outline, no fill, and you can change the script color as per your requirement. Okay, like this I can change the script color. Okay, next I want phone number. So for that you insert phone symbol, insert icons. Here I am searching for phone, press enter. See, select any of these and insert. So for this also you change the wrapping style. So click and drag and change the color of the picture icon, and copy this text box, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and remove the text and type the phone number. Something, and reduce the size of the text box and change its color also. And if you want email ID or something, again go and insert some other icon. For mail I am typing here. See, you can select the symbol and insert the symbol and reduce its size, and it is not positioning means again wrap text something, you select like this and click and drag and position it, and you can change its color. Okay, now copy this text box, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then type the mail IDs abcd@gmail something, and you select the text and reduce Ctrl Shift less arrow key. And for this also you can change the color or you can highlight the color and make them bold if you want. So like this you can design your card in any way. And if you want the same card to in the next page also, I am selecting Control A and I am removing the selection of next pages and only I am selecting this page contents. Suppose shift down arrow key to select more pages and only I selected these contents and copy them and come here and paste and come here and paste. The same content you will get in the remaining pages also. Okay. So like that you can keep on paste. And if you want to change the design of this, for example, I don't want this type of design, I want some other design. Suppose instead of these circles, I am going to place the shapes like, for example, here we have flowchart symbols and draw the symbol like this. You can always adjust the symbol using shape effects. Okay, and you can change the outline, no outline, and you can fill with the required color, and we have different alignments options also, and here we have different rotation options also for this. Suppose I can select like this, I can select like this, and more rotations options we have. Suppose now remove the outline and copy it, Control C, and paste it, Control V, and you will get one more symbol. So you change the color of the symbol and drag it and place up to this. And in top also you can place some more symbols by inserting and shapes. Suppose in the top I want only a bar, so you can select rectangles, suppose like this. Okay, in the shape itself you can type the information directly by right clicking and adding text. So here we can type the text. I am going to select this particular text here and copy it. So select the text and copy, Control C, and I am placing here. If it is not adjusting, just you change it. And you can also align the text. Align text in the middle or in the top. Okay, and you can reduce the size and go to home and here left alignment, and I am placing computers here itself. Control C, and I am pasting, Control V. And you can align it to left totally, and this symbol I want to place here. copy it, Control C and Control V, drag and place its position. See, if it is not fitting here means go to graphic format and you can place some other position also like this. And what are the next items we have? All those items you can copy and paste here. Suppose I am copying this one and I am placing here. Suppose here also right click and add text, and you can align here, and I am placing, and this also copy and you place the text in the place. And if you don't want in the second lines, you can align this entire text you can align the text in the shape, align text in the top position, and you can reduce the size of the text, and you can increase the size of the text, or otherwise you can directly also type. See, Control Z, and I will type myself XYZ street, Bangalore, and you can place all other information what you want inside this, and finally you can take printouts. Okay.